Hey guys, it's Fossum here. I just thought that I would check in as we kind of go into our last 2 units. So as of now, you guys have finished Frankenstein. Yay! I think that in your discussion, I saw a lot of really great feedback. As we kind of go into the next unit, we're going to be talking about fiction. So we're going to start using terms like theme and irony and foreshadowing, and these things that I've actually seen you guys use as we've gone through Frankenstein. So I'm really excited to see you kind of put your analysis skills to the test with other texts as well as Frankenstein. So what we're going to be doing is, as a class, we're going to be analyzing a couple different short stories and kind of practicing our analysis skills, and I'll be giving you feedback on reading responses, and we'll be doing a paper on one of those short stories. Now we're going to be introducing this idea of a secondary source. So instead of just looking at our ideas and how they're supported by a primary source like Frankenstein or the text by Boyd or whatever, we're going to be taking a primary source, which will be a short story, and a secondary source that talks a little bit about and analyzes that primary source. And so you'll see this all through the presentations for this unit, and we'll kind of build up to that. But our goal is to be able to juggle our ideas, a primary source, and a secondary source. And that's all going to kind of come to fruition with the last assignment of the semester, which is going to be that research paper, which we'll take some weeks to talk about. If you have any questions, as always, make sure you get in touch with me. I'm in my office during my office hours to meet with you guys. Also, make sure that you're looking at all my feedback on your papers and all my feedback on your reading responses and things like that, because I make sure that I kind of respond to you personally and to kind of help you grow as a writer and also as a critical thinker, because that's one of my goals as well. Last thing I was going to say is you are allowed one rewrite in this class for your essays, right? So you have 3 main essays, essay 1, essay 2, essay 3, right? If you did not like your grade on essay 2, you can rewrite, and you can submit it to me and it can replace your grade completely. So if that is something you want to do, make sure you shoot me an email so I can kind of talk to you personally and kind of give you a little bit more feedback to make sure you get the grade that you want. If you don't really like where your grade is at, I don't want you to panic. We have a lot of time left in the semester and a lot of points. Our research paper is about 200 points. We have another 100-point essay. We have our final exam. And we have little reading responses here and there. So if your grade is not looking good, if you're not passing the class right now, if you take some time to talk to me or kind of do an intervention, you should still be able to pass the class. Anyway, I hope to talk to you guys soon, and yeah, see you next time.